na nababakabalen. Welcome to Pampanga. Para sa video na to, we were invited by Cormila Private Resort and Villas dito po sa may Panipuan, Fernando Pampanga. This is a new staycation dito po sa Pampanga, and if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Drivers, ikaw rin ma'am. We're staying at Villa number 1. Pagpasok nyo dito, you're gonna be greeted with this large, long dining table. So, capable of accommodating 12 diners. Right after that, guys, dito sa side na to, on my right side, meron tayong living room area. And guys, so, nandito tayo ngayon sa isa sa kanilang mga accommodation rooms. So, dito guys, meron tayong 3 beds. So, each bed can accommodate up until 2 persons. So, this comfortably can accommodate 6 people. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa labas, and from here, tanaw na tanaw ko yung majestic Ararat Mountain. Place that we are in, ito yung multi-function area. So, from here, meron tayong mini kitchen. Not necessarily for cooking, pero you can place your food here, wash your dishes. Yan, parang mini bar din siya. Nakabubong na to. You can put in for setup, siguro mga 3 to 4 tables. Dito rin guys, nandito yung ating swimming pool area. Ang kagandahan dito, gusto ko guys, meron siyang shade. Yun ang masarap kahit na mainit, and kahit na umuulan guys, you can still enjoy. Meron din tayo ditong entrance from this way, and then meron tayong gazebo. So the gazebo is perfect for, you know, chill, kwentuhan, relax. And then from here, meron din tayong hanging chair. Ito siya, section na to, dito yung cooking natin. And then again, back dito sa ating swimming pool area. This. Alright, so this is Villa number 2. They call it Renee. So different siya from the Villa number 1. This one is perfect for family gathering, not necessarily an event, a huge occasion, ganyan. Because different siya from the previous one. Yung Villa 1 natin has another parang extra space, extra lot for tables and chairs. Now this one, I think they converted it into parang sunken living area. Dito guys, ito yung swimming pool natin. It also has a covered area for, you know, the food. And then it's multifunction, pwede rin siya. Again, this is the pool area. Tingnan naman natin yung mga rooms. So this is what's inside. Pagpasok natin dun sa pinaka main entrance, we're gonna be greeted with the sofa. Grabe, sofa ang laki nito. Actually, pwede na siyang higaan pa or tulugan, no? This is one of the bedrooms. If you notice, meron tayong 1 to 3 beds. Now, the 2 beds are double deckers. So this can accommodate up until 10. This is room number 2. I think this is more of a smaller in terms of number of people that will accommodate, no? So dito sa baba, meron tayong 2 beds, and then another one going this way. So meron tayong loft. This is Villa number 3. They call it Niah. So ito naman guys, fit siya for a barkada, not necessarily family or close relatives, ganyan. Dahil nga, mas marami yung open area niya. And then, meron lamang siyang isang kwarto, but it can accommodate up until 14. So first floor at saka second level niya yung loft niya. Again, it's their signature, the tent, yung parang pinaka shade natin, and then the swimming pool. It also has a gazebo. Similarly with the other villas, meron tayong place for cooking, barbecue, and at the same time, meron tayong access dito dun sa pinaka open area niya. Supposedly yun yung living room dun sa unang kung saan tayo naka-check-in. The table can still accommodate up until 12 to 14 people. If you want to know more about this, check out the fan page we're going to be including in this post. And I hope you share this video. At kapag sinare mo to guys, make sure to tag your friends and family so that you can enjoy Cormila Private Resort and Villas. Thank you so much for watching Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye guys!